Welcome to a point of view video test drive on the new Kia Stonic. Let's give you a quick look at it. So this is the first edition version, and you'll need that car if you want the contrasting roof. And part of the reason to get this car over a normal hatchback is for its style. So yeah, it's definitely worth getting that. Here's the boot, it's all right size. Back seats, it's okay, but rival SUVs, well, rival small SUVs, I should say, are bigger inside. And like I said, contrasting roof, you also get contrasting interior panels as well if you go for the first edition. It does bump up the price though, so this car starts from £16,000. This one that I've got here though, it's almost 20, but you have got a lot of kit on it, and I'll run you through that in a second. Let's get driving first though. So, I've got sat nav on this car, and the infotainment system is actually pretty decent. The graphics aren't the sharpest, but you can navigate it quite easy, and it's handy having proper shortcut buttons, just easier to use when you're driving. You get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well with that. And on the whole, it's in a good position, nice to use. Very easy, simple laid out controls for the ventilation system, and you've got stuff down here. And you might see, look, heated seats on this one, and that's a heated steering wheel on a small Kia. I mean, that's like luxury car stuff. The material quality isn't exactly luxury, but it's pretty much par for the course for this price range and size of car, and it looks pretty smart. I like the look of it. That's not so good though, look, a little bit flimsy in places. But to drive, the interesting thing is that this particular car is on the side of sportiness, and it kind of goes with the seating position. So it's not really a mini SUV at all, because you sit too low. You're not really any higher, probably about that much higher than in the Kia Rio, in which this car is based. So you don't feel like you're getting that much of a better view out of it. It's just all right. But it does mean that it doesn't roll too much in the corners because it's not that tall, and that's good. And the suspension is quite firm, so it feels darty and lively, and you know, compared to something like a Renault Captur, it is definitely more fun to drive. The flip side is though, the firmer suspension means that it's a little bit more jiggly over bumps, which can be a bit annoying if you're driving around town through potholes. Also at speed, the sound insulation isn't brilliant, so you do get a bit of tyre noise and wind whistle, but it's not a deal breaker really. The engines might be though. The 1.6 litre diesel, which can do apparently 67 miles per gallon, is a bit rough. The 1.4 litre petrol, which is the entry-level engine, isn't great either. It's a bit noisy and a bit slow. The engine in this car is the 1 litre turbo petrol, and it's punchy, so it can go pretty well when you put your foot down. 0 to 60 in 10 seconds, and it should return 57 miles per gallon. Oh, I'm getting over 40. It's about 41, 42, which is all right. Oh, I can really feel that heated steering wheel now. Yeah. On a day like today, I am thankful of the heated steering wheel. Let you have a quick look around the cabin just before I pull up and get out. Now, if you want to see how much you can save on this Kia Stonic, or any car for that matter, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen, or on the link below the video to go to carwow.co.uk. So, if you want to see more content on this car, click on the video windows to watch more videos on the Kia Stonic. Hope you enjoyed the ride.